Have you ever made a list only to find out later that you forgot something important? One of the reasons the framers of the Constitution did not add a Bill of Rights in 1787 was that they were afraid they might leave something out. Something very important. In fact, James Madison himself said he thought this was the strongest argument against the Bill of Rights. A list could imply that's all the rights the people had. So in 1789, when Madison drafted the Bill of Rights, he added the most mysterious amendment of all, the Ninth Amendment. It said that even though certain rights were listed in the Bill of Rights, there were still other unenumerated or unlisted rights that belonged to the people. But what were these rights? And how could the people exercise them? Were courts supposed to protect them, or were they invisible like ghosts? You might think of the Ninth Amendment as a black hole in the Bill of Rights. There could be all kinds of rights hanging out in there, but so far, judges and constitutional experts have been afraid to go looking. Why is that? For one thing, judges are not supposed to make up rights. They are supposed to interpret the Constitution. But if the Constitution says some rights are unwritten, aren't judges supposed to follow that part of the Constitution too? Whew, that's a lot of questions to answer. So perhaps that's why the Ninth Amendment has not been used very much in Supreme Court cases. But there's one right that is not listed where it has been cited: the right to privacy. It's not listed specifically in the Bill of Rights, but some experts think the right to privacy is implied by several other amendments, including the 1st, 3rd, 4th, and 9th. Do you think the Ninth Amendment should protect the right to privacy?